No, bro, I was not telling you that. I was telling you that we literally went across over there, and you, you